Welcome back to the Wider channel. In the last episode, we took a 1,600-mile round-trip journey to pick up our replacement engine. In this episode, we're going to attempt to swap it out. I've enlisted the help of my youngest son, so without further ado, let's get this show started. Well, folks, we're just about out of light for the day, and I have to go back to the drawing board on my engine lifting forklift device. So we'll catch you in the morning. All right, we're back for our second day of the project of replacing the motor. We ran out of light last time, so we're going to give it another shot. We'll try and fix the lifting mechanism that we're building here and get her going. All right, folks, it's been a couple of days. We've tried a few different things to get this engine out of here, and I decided to finally just bite the bullet and buy a cherry picker. We're going to attempt to get it out right now with the cherry picker. We'll see how it goes. And there we have it, folks. The 1330 Rotax SE6 is pulled out of the 2016. Bad motor is now out. I can tell you that was not easy. I pulled the broken engine out first just to get a feel for how everything was going to go. When we pull the donor engine out of the frame, I'll show you some of the neat tricks that I learned along the way of pulling this out. It has gotten a little late on us, so I'll catch you in the morning. Welcome back. It is the next day. We were able to lift the engine out with our handy dandy cherry picker, and today we're going to take the engine out of the donor and put it into our 2016. Before we do, I want to show you on the donor engine where the bolts are that hold the engine down. There are 2 in the front and there are 4 in the back. Up here in the front, there is one on the left side, right where it meets the motor mount, and one on the right side. On the back side, where the pivot is, there is a nut on the left side and a nut here on the right side. What I didn't find until I had tried way too many times to pull this engine is underneath that round motor mount in the back, there is a nut and a bolt on each side holding that down. One is easily accessible right next to the exhaust from underneath, and the other one is right next to this electronic device hooked to the transmission. Well, there you have it, folks. The bad engine removed, the donor engine is now in. That's about as far as I'm going to get on today's episode. Join me in the next one where we'll finish connecting everything up, change some fluids, and try and fire it up. If you like what I'm doing and want to help with the growth of the channel, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons. That's all I have for today. We'll see you on the next one.